Hello everybody. Today's project is changing the toilet seat. So the part that we're going to be changing the toilet seat is this one here, the next step, built-in potty seat. And this is the E-shape 18 by 5 47 centimeter, fits all manufacturer toilets from Church, the best seat in the house. Part number 566229 from Lowe's. So inside the package, this is what it comes with. We have the hardware, and we will go through that in a minute. We have the actual baby seat or toddler seat, and then we have the actual seat. With this project, the only thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. First, what you'll need with the flathead screwdriver is, if you still have the tab that covers the bolt on the top, is you'll pop the tab here, and then you'll access the bolt on the two top. So next, what you're going to do is the bolt goes to the bottom here, and there's a nut down here, and you're just going to turn it to loosen it up. But as you're doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to put the screwdriver at the top here, and you're going to place it in there, and as you have the screwdriver in there, you're going to turn the nut here to loosen. And there you have it. And then at the top here, you're going to have the bolt release. And they're all made out of plastic. And then you're also going to repeat the same thing on the other side. You put the screwdriver on top here, and then loosen the bolt from the bottom. And there you have it. There's the two bolts and the two nut. And now we're just going to grab the seat and remove from the area, and then we're going to place the new seat on top. So while the seat is off, you can go ahead and clean that area. What we'll do is go ahead and spray some cleaning stuff on there, and then wipe it down. Alright, after you clean the area around the toilet where you're going to bolt the new toilet seat to, you're going to grab the toilet seat and place it on top. So on these new ones, the clips is actually on the back. So we're going to grab them, pop them open on both ends. Okay. So now we are pulling out the hardware, and the hardware comes with 2 of the bolts and 2 of the nuts that go below, and then it comes with the instruction booklet. And with the instruction booklet, we'll open this out. I mean, it's basically common sense, but 1, take the clips up. 2, set the toilet on, the seat onto the toilet. It's asking us to flip the seat upside down, and we're going to put the clips, it's going to snap on to these ends upside down, and then we're going to set the seat down with the top clip cover clipping over, and then set it on top of the toilet into the hole, and then we're going to mount it with the nut below, and then you're going to get a ratchet and screw it on, raise the seat up, put the add the baby seat on, or child seat, and then flip it down, and there you are. Let's do it. So first things first, grab the seat, flip it upside down, grab each one of these, you can snap that in. That's 1. Fairly easy to snap in. And that's 2. Okay, and then we're going to flip the seat back over, set into the hole, like so, and then I'm not gonna close these tabs yet because I may need to put my screwdriver in, and then we'll screw it from the bottom. So here we are at the bottom view, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and screw this in, and hopefully you can see it. So I'm going to put that on there and screw it on. First we're going to hand tight it. And then we're going to use a 1/2-inch ratchet and tighten it up. So it looks like I didn't have to use a flathead screwdriver for the top to hold it down while I'm tightening the bolt. And so there you have it. And then just repeat the same step on the other side. Once you've had it all tightened up from the bottom, we're going to go ahead and push these tabs down and lock them in place. Okay, and then there you have it. The seat's all bolted in, and it's a quiet seat, so when you release the seat, it'll slowly ease down. Alright, last and not least, we're going to add this child seat to it. And as you can see, it's just all you're going to do is clip it on with these tabs onto these are 2 little hatch. And so you're just going to put them on like that, and they clip on like so. And on the top here, it's magnetic, so it will magnetize here. So the only time it'll come down is when you pull it away from the seat for a child. So just like that, it's connected, and then it'll go down together as one. So as an adult, you know, when you need to use the toilet, the child seat will raise with the larger one. And the only time you need to use the child seat is when you pull this tab down and set it down. And that's how it will look. Very simple to do, not complicating. Really, when you install it, you just need one tool. When you uninstall the old seat, you just need a flathead screwdriver. Alright, if you like this video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much.